Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you for asking. By the way, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes. So my name is Jaya Khoos. I hail from Kolkata and I'm a banker. If I talk about my
Okay,
hobbies,
nice.
yes. So I love listening to music. I love watching movies, and sometimes I read fiction. So that's all about me. And I also have a YouTube channel. So
Okay,
yeah,
what's
that's
your
all about me.
channel name?
The name of my channel is Make English Easy.
Okay, wow. So I will definitely put the link in my description under this video. So people who are watching this video right now, they can connect with you, they can subscribe you. Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
great, great. And so you are a banker. So are you working? So you are a working professional. So my question is like, you are in the government bank or private bank?
No, it's a government bank.
Government bank. Okay, so you are, and also because I asked you that question because I am also a government job aspirant. So I am preparing for bank exams and railway exam. So that's why. So it is like I want to ask some questions related to how to crack banking exam and all.
Yeah, yes, you can, you can. Before we speak about that, so I would like to tell you that it's a regional rural bank. So I hope you can understand. Yes,
Okay, regional rural bank. That is RRB, right?
yes, absolutely.
Okay, okay,
It's the RRB PO, and so I cracked this IBPS RRB PO exam in 2016, and I joined in 2017.
okay.
So it's been, yes, more
Wow,
than
so
6 years
wonderful.
now.
You are really an inspiration for all the banking aspirants, including me. And so I would like to know some strategy from you that how you cracked that examination because you have to compete all India basis, right? So
Mhm.
somehow it is difficult, but you have cracked. So I just want to know some strategy from you, like what you were basically following to crack that exam.
Yes. So I want to say one thing that you really need to be consistent and keep practicing. So it's true for everything. If you want to learn how to speak in English, if you want to crack an exam, it's the only thing that you can do, and you have to be serious enough to, follow your dreams because you have a dream and you exactly know what are the steps that you need to follow, and you have a routine for a day, entire day, and also for the night. So you need to follow that and be consistent, keep practicing. That's the only mantra, I think. There is
Mm.
nothing else you can do. And of course, it takes time. For some people, it takes even longer. It can take a year, maybe 3 years, maybe 4 years. So plan accordingly. That no, I can
Yeah.
give only this many years uh, into practice, maybe 2 years or maybe 3 years, and after that, maybe I will try for something else. So keep plan A and plan B ready. Work for
Okay.
plan A, but if it doesn't work, make sure that you always have better options than this.
Okay. Okay. I see. And how you increase your speed while solving puzzles or special reasoning?
So I used to set timer and start practicing,
Okay.
and so it's all about practice and do that on a
Mhm.
daily basis. Set a timer and then start your practicing.
Okay.
So
Okay.
each
I see.
section you have to decide a particular time, maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes for each section.
Mhm.
So set the time accordingly and then practice. So it's like giving an exam maybe 30 times a day. It's not about that one
Okay.
particular day when you're going and you're following the time. You have to, you have to be conscious enough that this is the timetable and I have to do this section complete within that time table.
Hmm. Okay.
Practice accordingly, and I'm sure you will definitely, crack the exam.
Thank you, ma'am. It would be great pleasure. And Now, where you are posted, like in Kolkata, inside Kolkata?
No, no, no. Right now I'm in Midnapur district.
Okay, okay, I see. So you you are originally from Kolkata, right? That means you are born and brought up there in
So I'm
Kolkata.
not born and brought up in Kolkata. So I actually belong from Dinajpur district,
Okay,
which
I
is
see. I see.
very far from Kolkata, at least
Hmm.
500 kilometers away from Kolkata. And I came here for my studies. So I completed my schooling from my hometown, and I came to Kolkata in around like 2008 or 9 maybe. And since then I'm here. So it's been a long
Oh,
time.
yeah, it's been a long time. Ma'am, now what is your schedule? Like, are you feeling hectic or not while working? So could you please share your experience, like working there as a banker?
So yes, it is actually becoming hectic as compared to when I joined in 2017. So the mental pressure is immense, but you can manage. Once you are inside this industry, you know how to work, and see, the
Hmm.
pressure will always be there no matter what. The deadlines, the targets will always be there, and there will always be your bosses who will, call you and talk you, you know, bad things when you are unable to achieve your target. So that's the regular thing, and you have to know that these things will always be there. What you can do is you can do your work and try to do as much as possible in a day. But if it's becoming too hectic for you, then do that for the next day. Because
Okay,
at the end
okay.
of the day, you have to take care of your health also. You can't,
Hmm.
work all the time. It's not possible. Though your management will tell you to do work 24 hours, but that's not possible. We have to take care of our family also. We have to spend quality time with our family members, just
Sure, sure.
our children. So they also need us, and we also need them. So yeah.
Absolutely. And like whatever targets are given to us or given to the bankers, it is expected to be fulfilled, and also somehow we can manage to fulfill, right?
Yes, and the targets are like it's impossible to fulfill sometimes, and our management also know that it's not possible to reach up to the target, but they also, somehow there is a threshold level. So up to the
Okay.
threshold level you have to reach, and after that, if it's not possible, then it's okay. But they always give you a target that is, impossible to reach.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it is mutual
Yes, yes.
understanding.
So
Okay.
I'm not actually getting the right word to describe that, but I think you understood.
I got it. Okay. So now, uh, I'm asking the PO ma'am that.
No, no, don't say like
Oh,
this.
okay, ma'am. So, what's your opinion on that? Can money bring you happiness or buy happiness? What do you think so?
Okay, so I think so I want you to start first. What is your opinion?
Okay, okay. So, in my opinion, I can say that money can, um, like to some extent, money can definitely contribute to your happiness. For example, when anyone like employees get salary at the end of the month, so it's really it boost up his uh, I can say it boost up him, and it really makes life easier when you have sufficient money to lead your healthy life. But sometimes to run after money, it can be risky to your health, sometimes your mental health, because health in involves in different ways, like mental health, physical health. So yeah, like to some extent money can bring you happiness, in my opinion. because happiness depends on different factors also, like uh, fulfillment, mind of mind, then I can say satisfaction, if I am satisfied or not to do the job. So mental state, this kind of things, like happiness depends on this kind of things. So not only money, money is an ingredient of that, one of the ingredients, I can say. And what's your opinion, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So actually, happiness is a feeling, and
Mm.
it depends on many factors, not only money. As you said, money is one of the ingredients. So, with the help of money, you can buy different ways to become happy. And
Mm.
for some people, so the happiness uh, is different for different people. Some people may be happy after eating a biryani, and some people may not be happy. So,
True,
after
true.
maybe getting maybe 5 lakh per month salary, because maybe he has higher dreams for himself, maybe he has higher ambitions. So we
Yeah.
can't compare that with others. And if someone is getting higher salary, leading a lavish lifestyle, but still he complains that no, I'm not happy. So he has
Mm.
his own reason. You should not, say that, Are, you have everything. Why don't you be happy and satisfied with your life? So it's about everyone's perspective. And so yes, money to some extent it can affect your happiness, but I think after a certain point, you realize that see, you have to earn money, you have to work hard, and when you work hard, it is taking up all your time. You don't have time for yourself, you don't have time for your family, for your kids, for your friends,
Mm.
and you can't ignore that these things are necessary to lead a happy life. You can't work
True,
all
true.
the time. You can't work uh, 24 hours a day. It's not
Mm.
possible. But
True.
we do that. We do that when we are young, and we have lot of goals, lot of ambitions. We want to achieve more. And once we accomplish one goal, maybe we have another two, three goals set for ourselves.
Yeah.
But when we are middle aged, maybe after 50, we realize that no, we have not done something right, and maybe at that time you don't have your families with you, your kids with you, because they also, you have ignored them for all your life, and now they have their own routine. They have, they have
Mm.
maybe ignored, they have started to ignore you after
Yeah.
a certain
It
point
may
in your life.
happen.
It may happen, yes, because for your family you are everything, and if
Mm.
you're ignoring them, then they will definitely, they will not include you in their happiness, or maybe sadness, or maybe what they are doing in their life.
True.
So so yes, it can buy happiness to certain extent, but after that point, uh, you need other things as well to become happy.
I strongly believe in your words.
So it was really nice conversation with you, and thank you so much. Hope we will meet soon.
Yeah, it is really lovely to meet you and hope to meet you soon, definitely. Why not?
Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am, take care. Bye.
Take care. Take care. Bye.